Watch one ad and earn 45 rupees. Assalam Alaikum everyone. How are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing well. As you all know, I keep bringing online earning related videos for you. So, once again I welcome you to my new and easy to follow video of online earning. Before starting the video, let me tell you one thing. I do in-depth research on the topic I create videos about. And if I believe that this thing can benefit my subscribers, so I share that idea with you all. Don't skip the video because you'll receive tips and tricks from me intermittently throughout. Before starting the video, as always, let me tell you one thing. If you're new to my channel and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's move towards our video. Well, friends, in today's video, I have brought a website for you where you just need to watch one ad and you will earn 45 rupees. No, I'm not joking here. You will find live proof in the video. The name of this website is Unity Ads Job. Open Google Chrome. Write Unity Ads Job without space. Click Ready to register. Enter your name, email, phone number, gender, age and password. Then, click Register Now. Click here to log in. Your account has been created. Click Daily Ads. Watch the ad. Then, click Instant Claim. Click Claim Now. Look, friends, 45 rupees have been added to your account. You can withdraw your payment with Jazz Cash or Easy Paisa. If you like the video, be sure to let me know in the comments. See you in the next interesting video. Take care and goodbye for now. Allah Hafiz.